Hi. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can duplicate as many row as you want. Like, um, suppose there is a scenario. So you have seven company and you already got like one person or one prospect for that company, right? Now you thought or you like got instruction from your sales team or marketing team that they also need two more contacts for each company, right? Now for every company you need to like extend or add two more rows like that. So you have to, sorry, you have to add rows like that and like that. Then you have to copy it, and then you will find two more person, like you need VP of marketing or something like that, right? So you have to manually add this to row for every company. That means if you have 100 company, you need to create like 300 rows. So three rows for every company. Now what if we just submit a form and the form will automatically do the same task for you, right? Now I am going to show you how it can be possible. So the sheet name is sorry, it's the sheet name is sheet 1. Now I am going to submit this, right? In this form I am going to like who is the sheet owner. So suppose you have sales team member or the lead generation team member, four team member or five team member who actually manage your projects, right? So this is the lead manager who will actually do that. Now I am selecting myself. Then you have to provide the sheet name. Now this is the sheet name. Sheet, sorry, sheet 1. And if you want to enroll team member, you can do that, like which team member will work on that sheet, you can do that. But for now I am not going to show you that because I didn't set it for this demo. And you can set the deadline. So what the form will do, the form will submit. When you submit that, the form will uh, like insert two rows under every company. So every company will have three rows. And the sheet also will show you how, like how long it should take, right, to complete that, like the how long it should take to build the list or generate or find the contacts. It will give you the estimate time as well. Now I'm going to submit that. So you will see the magic here. So the sheet is created, you can see that, and it is duplicating or it is creating. So for seven company we have, for company 1 we have now three rows, company 2 we have three rows, for every company we have rows. And for the first row of, for every company we only have information for contacts, but for other rows there is blank, right? So now you can uh, collect leads like the other prospects. So it will saves you time, and now you can start to work. And we can also delete the old sheet here, right? And it shows us like to find those contact and validate overall lead generation process will like take approximate 42 minutes, and the sheet owner is me, right? So this is one automation demo. if you need any help with any type of automation or any complex automation, feel free to reach me. Thank you.